What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. In this week's video, what I actually want to do to the car is I actually want to restore the headlights. When I got the car, the headlights weren't too bad, and they still aren't too bad actually. But you know, I'm really picky about how they look. I know that one side actually looks a lot worse than the other. And yeah, so I ran into some YouTubers that were actually trying out this product, and it was fairly cheap for the quality that I saw. It was only like $25, something like that. So I figured, you know, why not go ahead and try it out, see how it comes out. You know, only 25 bucks, you know, probably can't go wrong with that. So yeah. Now the actual headlights aren't that bad, especially the passenger side headlight. I mean, it's like really, I mean, this car is like basically brand new, so you know, they're not that bad. The worst side is actually the driver's side. I don't know if it'll pick up on camera, but maybe from this angle. Yeah, from this angle you can kind of see just a little bit more yellow haze going on around. I wouldn't necessarily go out of my way to do this, but for 25 bucks, you know, and it is ceramic coating my headlights, you know, I don't see why not. Now I am losing daylight because it is starting to get dark, so let's get started. Now before I start, actually I'm gonna try and clean the headlight. Probably not the whole car, but just, you know, around it, because I mean the headlight is dirty. There is like a bunch of bugs and stuff attached to it, so I'm gonna clean it. And then I'm also gonna mask it off with masking tape, just so I don't scratch any of the paint. And yeah. There you guys have it. Honestly, I don't know if you guys would, I mean, if you guys are doing this, I don't know if you guys would need to, you know, mask off the whole headlight. I know that you guys could take it off and stuff, but I'd rather just leave it on and, you know, mask it off. I'm not too experienced with, or I don't want to say I'm not too experienced, but basically I just don't want to mess up the paint, so I'd rather just play it safe than sorry. And yeah, so let's get started. This is all that the packet brings. It goes from step 1, and then this is step 2, and then 3, and then it also brings gloves in here. I'm leaving them in here because I don't want to get them dirty, but they're in there. And it also brings instructions. Now I already went ahead and read them. Basically it says to open the hood, you know, to rinse it and stuff and clean it with soap, and then to go ahead and basically just use 4 of these. This is why there's 8 of them, 4 for each headlight, and basically just open this up and in a circular motion clean your headlight. And basically what it'll do is it'll take off all the oxidation, or it'll turn yellow and stuff like that. So all right, let's try this out. Third, and now the last one. And that's the last one. All right, so this is how it looks after the 4 oxidation wipes. Honestly, it looks really good, like already just with this step alone. but I still gotta finish it, so yeah. Let me show you guys the wipes actually. This is actually pretty crazy. This was, I believe, the first one that I used, and as you can see, I don't want to pull it out because you're not supposed to touch these with your hands. At least I'm assuming that's why they give you gloves. But as you guys can see, this is like really, really dirty. And then obviously, it's like the more that you use, the less dirty that they come out. I believe this was the last one. But yeah, so far so good. So now, after reading what I need to do to step 2, basically what we're gonna do is we're gonna wet sand. So you're gonna start off with the red one, as you can see right here, with these red ones first. You're not gonna actually scrub this in a circular motion. Basically what I'm gonna do is I'm actually gonna scrub it this way, as you guys will see. And then you're gonna move from after red, you're gonna go to blue. I mean, not blue, sorry, gray. You're gonna go to gray, and then after that, you're just gonna rinse them off again with soap and water, and then completely dry them, and to go on to step 3. Now a water or a, what is this called, a spray bottle will be necessary, or basically wet sanding. So you just want to make sure that you have the headlight and this wet the whole entire time. That's the point of wet sanding, so that way you know, it doesn't mess it up. So yeah, let's get started because it's starting to get dark. So this is how it looks like after the 300 or 3000 grit. As you can see now, it's like a lot cloudier. But yeah, now basically all that's left is just taking this off, and then you do want to completely dry this, because I guess the other mixture or something like that, the ceramic coat doesn't mix at all with water. So yeah, you just want to make sure that this is completely dry. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna blow dry this, just so I can make sure that there is absolutely no water, and then we'll go ahead and start on with the last and final step. All right guys, so obviously it got really dark faster than I expected. So basically what I'm just gonna end up doing is I'm just gonna end up waiting until tomorrow. I ended up just drying the headlight, but I mean, it was kind of pointless because if it's gonna wait overnight. So yeah, next clip you guys are gonna see me during the day, and then we're just gonna get this thing over with and see how the headlights turned out. So what is up guys, it's another day. I already started on the car just so I could finish it. Well, I didn't really start, I actually just started on the passenger side. I had only started on the driver's side yesterday. So yeah, as you can see, I already got the canopy and stuff set up because it was too hot and stuff. So yeah, now the last part is, now that I've done both of them, it's just basically hitting them with the ceramic coating, and that should be it. Here's how we have it. This is how both headlights look after the 3000 grip. I still gotta dry this one, but I'll do that off camera. But yeah, and now we just need the last. Now we just need this, and then we should be good to go. All right, guys, last coat. A little nervous. To go from top to bottom. And then 50% overlap. there you guys have it. For 25 bucks. I think it looks pretty good compared to how it was before. I still have to let it dry for 60 minutes, so we'll see how it looks after it dries. But so far, so good. Honestly, a lot better than how it looks a lot better than when it first started. And yeah, now I gotta do this one, but I'll do that one off camera. Alright guys, so that's gonna be it for this week's video. If you made it to the end, thank you very much. Make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. And yeah, let me know what you guys think about the lights. Honestly, I think they came out really good. For 25 bucks, I really don't think you could go wrong. Honestly, I mean, my lights weren't that bad to begin with, so it's not like, you know, it made a huge ass difference. But I mean, it got the job done, so you know. And yeah, I'm gonna close this out before my neighbors lose their shit. So yeah, thank you guys for watching, and stay tuned for more videos. Peace.